Want to learn how to do any times table in 1 minute or less? Then click on the link below and master any times table you want. Now on to the video. Let's consider using negative numbers. This also helps with practicing with negative numbers as well. So if we take the same sum, 25 minus 8, let's fill in the missing gap again with 0. Now we start from the unit side and we take a look at 5 minus 8. Now if we go into negative numbers, we can see that 5 take away 8 gives us minus 3. So if we just briefly put minus 3 down in the answer line, this avoids borrowing, because now we can go to the tens column and we still have the 2 there. That 2 represents 20. So 20 or 2 take away 0 just gives us 2, and we can put that in the answer line. Now we can see we have a 2 and a minus 3. That 2, remember, represents 20, and if we read that, we have 20 minus 3, which equals 17, and that still gives the same answer again. Let's consider another example. Let's take, for instance, 251 take away 179. Okay, so if we start from the right hand side, 1 take away 9 gives us minus 8, so we put that in the answer line. Then 5 take away 7 gives us minus 2, we put that in the answer line. So now minus 2 minus 8 together, that reads as minus 28. And then we can go to the hundreds column. 2 take away 1, or 200 take away 100 is just 100, and we just put the 1 in the answer line. So we have 1 or 100 minus 20 minus 8. 100 minus 20 is 80, and 80 minus 8 is 72, so the answer is 72. Let's take a look at another example. Let's consider 5,671 take away 3,478. Okay, so starting again from the right hand side, 1 take away 8 equals minus 7, so we put that in the answer line. Then 7 take away 7 is just 0, 6 take away 4 is 2, and 5 take away 3 is 2. So the answer reads 2,200, and then we want to minus 7 from 2,200. So 2,200 minus 7 is 2,193. If you found this tutorial helpful, then do leave a like, comment, share with anyone who you feel this may benefit, and do subscribe and click the bell for all the latest tips, tricks, revision and exam techniques, as well as the latest releases that will be coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.